Hello children and welcome to today's session. Let us just forget everything and look at the things around us. हमारे आसपास ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिनके बिना हम नहीं रह सकते? We can stay without our pencil, we can stay without our eraser, but can we stay without our house? Can we stay without our clothes? Can we stay without eating food or without having water? No. These three things are the basic needs of all human beings: food, clothing, and shelter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about two of these most important needs of all human beings. We are going to learn about our houses and our clothes. It was not always that human beings used to live in houses. बहुत सालों पहले जब अर्ली मैन केव मैन हुआ करता था, he used to live in caves and he did not know how to build houses. So slowly and gradually man learned to build houses. Why did he need to build houses? Was because he wanted to protect himself from rain, winter, summer. He also wanted to protect himself from wild animals. The first house that man made was made of wood. Some of it was made of straw, mud, etc. This kind of a house was called पक्का हाउस. पक्का हाउस में क्या प्रॉब्लम होती थी? पक्का हाउस को एवरी ईयर रिपेयर करना पड़ता था तेज बारिश के बाद, बिकॉज बना तो वो मड से है. With strong rain, the mud would get washed off. Then man started living in pakka houses. Pakka houses are the houses that we live in. Our houses are made up of cement, bricks, wood, glass, etc. They are very strong. But not all people are as lucky as we are. Poor people still continue to live in kacha houses. They live in small clusters of villages. These villages are very dirty and these are known as slums. In this video, we are going to learn about some of the basic things that all good houses should have. So all good houses should have doors and windows. And these doors and windows should be left open during the mornings and evenings to allow fresh air to come in. As you can see, there is a wire mesh on both the doors and the windows. This is to prevent the entry of insects like houseflies in it. You can also see a lot of greenery around the house. It is important to have greenery, green plants around the house so that you have ample supply of oxygen at all times. Then it is also very important to have a clean house with a proper drainage system. Both in kitchens and bathrooms, the floor should be sloping so that no water collects anywhere. It is also important to disinfect the floors using a disinfectant, to clean the kitchen slabs using a disinfectant, because these are the places where most insects love to live in. A clean house is a good house. Now this was about living in a clean house, a good house. Now let us learn about the second basic need of human beings, which is clothes. We all need clothes to wear. We need clothes to wear to protect ourselves from heat. We need clothes to protect ourselves from cold, from rain. We also need clothes to protect ourselves from insect bites. And when we wear neat and clean clothes, we look very smart. If you take any piece of cloth, you will see that it is made up of tiny threads. These threads are known as fibers. All clothes are made of two kinds of fibers. Natural fibers can be obtained from plants such as cotton plant, or they can be obtained from animals such as sheep. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. These are made from chemicals which are made in factories. Some of the examples of natural fibers that we will now see are cotton, jute, silk, and wool. Some synthetic fibers are nylon, terylon, rayon, and voile. These are all synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. We wear cotton clothes in summers to keep us cool. Jute is used to make carpets, ropes and bags that we use in our everyday life. Wool is used to make woolen clothes which we wear in winters. We also wear silk clothes in winters. You know how silk is obtained? Silk is obtained from the cocoon of a silkworm. The thread is woven to make the silk cloth. So these were some of the things about clothes that we must all know. Let us now understand about clothes that we wear in different kind of weather. So in summers when it is very hot, we like to wear light colored cotton clothes because they keep our body cool. In winters when it is very cold, we like to wear woolen clothes because they are thick. They protect us from the cold. और जिन जगहों पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है वहाँ पर लोग पहनते हैं fur. And last season, that is a rainy season, we wear raincoats and gumboots, and we also carry an umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. So in this chapter, we have learned about the two important things that human beings need: houses and clothes. We have learned about how to keep a house neat, clean and good. We have learned about animal fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Thank you.